Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to share a project on CapCut PC. Now first of all you need to open the project that you want to share. Then it will bring you on this, something like this. Now on the right hand side you will see this section here. Now if you click modify, you will be able to see the location where this project will be saved to. As you can see here, this is the exact location where this project will be saved to. Now for you to share the project with anyone, just go to the exact location of this project. You can follow this directory and go to the exact location and exact file or the old folder. You can copy it and share it in email, or you can share it even in USB. Now if you click copy to project, now this means that you import material. Whenever you add anything to this project, it will be added to the project location of this project. Now by doing so, you'll be able to share project on CapCut PC. I hope this will be helpful, and thank you guys. I will see you in the next one.